What's this guy doing? I'm already trying to beat him in the opening. I shouldn't be doing that.
I should just develop in Castle.
Yeah, man. We are live and we are going to start the game, as always. Sunday night. We had a big gig today at our winery called William Chris. Really cool place. We played with the full band there. So the guys showed up. We freaking jammed out, man. We had a really good gig. He plays D5, I'll play C4. Who's that, man? Yoshi, thanks for the like. How you doing, Yoshi? Max, what's up, brother? Okay, this move, man, is that even a move? Happy Sunday to you, Kyle. Thanks. Jonathan Thrasher comes in dropping 100 stars. Thank you, Jonathan. How you doing today, man? Corey Stewart asks, what's up, man? How was my day? Dude, it was great, man. We had a freaking blast. We went and played music all day. It was really cool. Kyle T. Massey, thanks for the like. Jeremy Sinot, thanks for the like. Tim Wheaton says, hey, brother, I'm new, and I've been waiting for this all day. Love this. Mex said you saw my band play on Friday. I know, Mex. You know why? Because you're a supporter. And you get supporter-only content. No plug. But, yeah, for sure. Boy, you guys are coming in, man. So, like, oh, I just dropped this pawn. I'll sack it. Joshua Creedic, thanks for the like. Max, thanks for the like. Yeah, Tim, welcome, man. Welcome to the stream, dude. Appreciate you, man. I'm glad you caught it. This is a little bit later than a normal stream. My normal time is more like, what's this guy doing? I'm already trying to beat him in the opening. I shouldn't be doing that. I should just develop in Castle. Love the smooth pace you play. Thank you, Mac. Yeah, man. Tim, this is a little bit later. This is like an after dark. Like I've been saying, our band played at a winery today, and we had a great time. But I couldn't stream at normal time. But I always show up for you guys, man. Kyle T. Massey says, Charlie, building a chess army one video at a time. That's right, Kyle, and you're part of it, brother. Appreciate you guys, man. Thanks for coming. Mac Bond is like, that's one of them strong names, man. Mac Bond. Hey, man. Mex Boston has used 200 stars. Thanks, Mex.
Happy Sunday, Charlie.
Thank you, Mex. I looked up to the voice. Thank you, Mex. Happy Sunday to you too, brother. Mex is in Canada. He is our Canadian representative. Okay, there's like... Not really. There's not really mate threats here. Mac Bond says 008 1/2. Marco Dow, welcome, dude. Scott Day, thanks for the like. Jeff Fist, thanks for the like. And thanks again for the 200 stars, Max. You're the man. Tim Wheaton says, all good, man. It's only lunchtime here in Oz. I'm in the future. I'm a musician too, brother. Keep keen to hear some of your stuff. Tim, what do you play, man? What are you into? Carrington Conley, are you going to do any more teaching streams? Yes, I'll do a teaching stream. You know what? I need to. There's so many things I'm doing, but I will. I'll do a teaching stream. What I need to do is a teaching stream with supporters only. We talked about this. What I need to do is figure out the best time to do it. And I'm going to look at my calendar and see, like, maybe next weekend, because I don't think I have anything. It's like, what is he doing? Why can't I just totally win right now, guys? Why can't I win right now? I guess I'm just gonna improve my position. Mex is 10:30 here. Okay. Hey, Abro, I'm doing great, man. And so yeah, I need to check my schedule and see when we can schedule the supporter only stream. and from there, we'll do it. I'll ask you guys what's best for you so we can kind of get the best people, the most amount out of it. Louis Dello is like, thank you, man. And Mex dropped another 110. Appreciate you, Mex. Tim Whedon says, I'm a piano player. I love classic rock. I'm in a cover band, ATM, but working on some new stuff with a pretty big musician from Australia right now. Hopefully some big things coming. Absolutely. Good luck to you, Tim. I wish you the best with your music, man. Carrington says, can't wait for the Wednesday night tournament. Wasn't that fun, Carrington? We had so much freaking fun. I have no idea what to do here. I would love to get in a check, but he's just gonna play freaking H5, man. Can I give up? Nope. This square is not kosher, bro, to give up. Just develop. I don't even need to think. I don't even need to rush this. Matthew Zacharias is liked, and Lesico Jet is back. Thank you. Thanks for coming back. Bro, if you want to play me, you're going to have to get on your chess.com account and send me a challenge. And if I see it and it's a 15-10, I'll take it. And if I don't, I'm going to start the next game. So that's how I roll. I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time setting games up. But I will, if you send it, I'll accept it. Just to develop. Tim, yeah, you're welcome, dude. Harrington Connolly said, what a blast, chill vibes, and a cool environment. That tournament was so much freaking fun, man. My opponent is playing definitely not what you would call a typical chess player. It's amazing to me that he's 1500, but you know what? He might be like real tactical. You know what I mean? Where like things could get goofy. So we'll see. Where can my queen go anywhere looking good? E6 is a weak square, right? Well, that kind of does drop this pawn. I'm going to play this move. He's going to play H5. It's the best move. Oh, I wanted to take with my queen and I can't. Okay, well, he opens it up at least. Just come back. Defend the pawn. I'd love to get this moving, but I just can't. Maybe I can. John Bailey, thanks for liking. Bob Anderson, welcome back, man. Zach Stone, Sear, Carmine, La Senza. Welcome back, Carmine. Hope your day's going good. Yeah, so this funny thing happened with my scrolling weekly stars. I don't know where it went. I don't know where it is. It's like I can't make it small enough. It's just... I'm gonna have to like redo that, I guess. I can redo it. It won't be the end of the world for me. Okay, yeah, that's not a bad move. And I've totally actually opened up all this business. Which is good. I really gave it this. I shouldn't even have to be thinking about this. Yeah, but he's 15-11. Hey, Tim Whedon, thank you for the 99, man, for the 99 stars. I appreciate it, brother. Thanks for supporting the stream. Tucker Thompson, great name. Tony is here. Tony Gold and Yon Perez. Thank you guys for the likes, right? I looked at this. He should take here, but that's going to close his... Oh, he can't. He has to take this way. I didn't really see that. I can push the pawn on the queen, or he can take my bishop, and I have knight check. Takes with the queen. Okay. Attacking e6. If he wants to attack this, he's going to have to open up the center with his king in the middle of the board, right? Which might not be good. Anthony Pettigrew says, what do you do to get better besides playing? Well, I'll tell you what I do. When I have a game that I think I can learn from, which you can actually learn from every game you ever play, I go over the game. I go look at it. And I see what moves I could have done better. I'll also kind of go over the opening. I'm going to really play knight back here if he plays king f7 to threaten the port. Well, it depends on what you mean by ranked player, not technically. Anthony, I also watch videos. You can watch videos on anything. If I keep losing to a Grand Prix attack in a Sicilian or something, I'll just go watch a video called How to Beat the Grand Prix Attack. You know what I'm saying? And get some ideas. Bring them back to the game. 1511 hype, Charlie? Yeah, maybe. Carrington Connolly says, I picked up a great book and haven't been reading it. Oh, and have been reading it. Really opened my eyes. How to Reassess Your Chess 4th edition. Carrington, I'm telling you something. That book, I was third most improved in the Southern California Chess Federation one year. It might have been second, but I don't want to exaggerate. It was second or third. I gained 200 real United States Chess Federation points in 1 year. And that was not when I started playing. When my first rating was 1,400. Then probably over about who knows how long, I got up to 1,550, and I could pretty much almost say that the biggest reason I can remember was that book, How to Reassess Your Chess. And then Tony asked if I'm a ranked player. Well, in the United States Chess Federation, I'm what you call an A player. I've been 6 points away from having a title of expert, and then I lost some points, and then after a while after that I stopped playing. But I had knight check just winning an exchange. Still there. No, it's not, because it's not there anymore. Darn it! I blew it, guys. I freaking had knight check. Can't take, though. I just really have nothing good to do. If my knight moved, which it can't because then I don't have my fork anymore. If I do nothing, he's just gonna develop his knight. My USCF rating right now is 1834 or something. I just lost rating points in every tournament because I would not go play. I wouldn't study, and I didn't play consistently. And so I'd randomly go, hey, I'm going to go play a rated chess tournament. That's not smart. And then I just lose points. Jonathan Azuela, Brian Carbajal, Charlie Ketron, Anthony Ruhr, thank you guys for the likes. I can totally do it. Charlie Lote says, Charlie, your streams are awesome.
Charlie, your streams are awesome. I have never played chess until watching your streams. And now I am playing for a few hours a day. So much to learn, but so enjoyable. Thank you.
Oh, man, Mike Lotes. Thank you, man. Kind words, man, and I'm so happy for you, dude. Charlie Keaton says, hi, had a great weekend playing chess with my dad and even got to teach my daughter how to play, and we played a few games with her too. That's awesome. How old's your daughter, Charlie? I want everything where it is the problem, but I don't have enough threats to do anything. Okay, let's do this. Now I can threaten the check. That's so nice, Mike. Dig it. Michael Kinnear has liked. Thank you, Michael Kinnear. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for coming in and hanging out. Guys, the reason why is that here's why I'm not winning this game already. Because I had this knight check and I didn't play it. You can take with the king. Knight could come in and it really, I don't know what it does. I'm gonna play queen c3, threatening this move right here. The knight can still come in. Someone behind me? She's 16, that's awesome, man. That is awesome. Oh, I should have just stayed on this square. Well, no, this might be better. But I have this idea now. Knight G5. Charlie Keatron gave me 50 stars. Charlie, thank you. And Jefferson Starseed has liked. I believe you're new, Jefferson. I don't remember the name Starseed. Thank you for coming in, man. Welcome to my stream. What book did you say really helped you? It was the book that Carrington's reading right now. How to Reassess Your Chess by Jeremy Silman. I think it's in the 4th edition right now. I guarantee I read the first one. Changing gears to this square. Yeah. I have never tried shogi, John. No. We have a fork. And then I'm going to still get all over e6 like nobody's business. Yeah, Anthony, I saw the fork, man. It's kind of nice. His queen has to move. Yeah, it's a little bit nasty. Okay, this square. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. And then I can play a rook takes check and get. Now I'm winning even more material. So he has 2 pieces for the queen, but his king is in the middle of the board, guys. Like, I really don't even want to let his king out. You know what I'm saying? Out of the trouble he's in. Maybe queen check is best. Wait. Because where's my queen? Because then, if he goes to any of these squares, I can infiltrate. He's not going to be able to keep my queen out, I don't think. I like this move. Because the rook wasn't playing. Hey, Steve Bestry. Everything good is up, man. A fork emote, no kidding. Justin David Raymond said, other than your video on openings, do you know of any other ones that talk about the principles of why you're doing the opening that way and not just what the moves are? They do, man. I don't have videos like that, but there's a huge amount of content online on YouTube. Okay, let me see. I think I can play this square, threatening to come in, and all hell's gonna break loose. C5, I just take it because it's pinned. Oh, wait, though. C5. I don't like that move. I think I should infiltrate this way. Is better. Is better, yes? Because C5 takes, he can play knight c6 on my queen. And covering the square, which is where I want to infiltrate. Right now, he can't cover this square. So yeah, man. Just what opening are you interested in? All you need to do is now. I just finished. So if someone sends me a challenge, I'm gonna take it. I don't see any, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'll wait until the delay hits, and then I'll start the next game. So there's like say the French defense. These guys, they know that you need to know the ideas. So they don't just say memorize these moves. Okay, that's what people do out of opening books. Okay, I'm going in. So they explain the opening ideas. They do. They'll say you're playing this move specifically for these ideas. You're normally going to play on the queen side. These are your normal breaks, and this is how if you ever have a chance to play d5 in these types of positions, that's your goal. They do.